Welcome to the 24th Annual Chase International Luxury Estates Tour. I'm Megan Parr-Warren.
And I'm Carrie Donovan with the Donovan Group.
We're here at 517 Crossbow, a Rodman fine-built home with stunning panoramic lake views.
Let's go take a look.
This private setting with southern orientation has maximum sun exposure. Primary rooms are on the main level, including a great room offering soaring ceilings, panoramic lake views, impressive fireplace. A showcase kitchen with designer touches features a custom walnut countertop, complete with a prep sink and gorgeous lake views.
Look at these lake views from east to west, simply stunning. Another amazing feature about this house is all the primary rooms are on the entry level. Don't you love it?
And a beautiful grand master suite. Decks wrap the main level, offering the best in indoor and outdoor living and relaxation.
The best way to get down to the second level is through the elevator that serves all 3 floors. There's 4 bedroom suites on the second level, including a fully appointed in-law unit with a kitchen. Take note of this second living area that's perfect for the kids to watch a movie while the grown-ups are upstairs catching up.
The lower level has a home theater, a gym, and a game room. You'll be able to access the beautiful manicured grounds from the lower level and notice the beautiful landscaping, the expansive grass, and more than anything, the serene sounds of the cascading waterfall, really setting the tone for relaxation. This fine property has all the luxurious amenities that one would want and need. A pure retreat for Tahoe luxury living.
Thank you for joining us at 517 Crossbow with one of the most outstanding lake views in Incline Village, Nevada.
If you'd like more details about this fine home, contact our team, the Donovan Group at Chase International.